Avocado, a superfood for health and wellness. Avocado has become one of the most popular fruits in the world. Known for its creamy texture, rich flavor, and many health benefits, avocado is now considered a superfood. People use it in salads, smoothies, sandwiches, and even desserts. In this essay, we will explore the history of the avocado, how it grows, its nutritional benefits, and why it is such an important part of a healthy diet. Avocados are native to Central and South America, specifically from countries like Mexico and Peru. They have been grown and eaten for thousands of years by ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and the Mayans. These people value the avocado for its delicious taste and nutritional value. The word avocado comes from the Aztec word ahuacatl, which means testicle, probably because of the fruit's shape. The Spanish explorers who arrived in the Americas in the 16th century were the first Europeans to taste avocados. They brought the fruit back to Europe, and from there it spread to other parts of the world. Today, avocados are grown in many countries with warm climates, such as the United States, California and Florida, Spain, Israel, and South Africa. Mexico remains the largest producer of avocados globally. The avocado tree is a large evergreen tree that grows in tropical and subtropical climates. It can reach heights of up to 20 meters, 65 feet, and its fruit grows on the branches in clusters. The fruit is pear-shaped or round, with a green, rough outer skin and a large seed in the center. Inside, the flesh is soft, creamy, and light green in color. Avocados are usually harvested when they are still firm and they ripen off the tree. Growing avocados requires a warm climate, plenty of sunlight, and well-drained soil. Avocado trees are sensitive to cold and frost, so they're mostly grown in regions with mild winters and hot summers. The trees need regular watering and take several years to produce fruit. Once the tree matures, it can produce hundreds of avocados each year. Avocados are often called a superfood because they are packed with nutrients. One of the most important nutrients in avocados is healthy fat. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are good for the heart. Unlike saturated fats, which can raise cholesterol levels, the fats in avocados can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. This makes avocados a great food for people who want to improve their heart health. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are also a great source of vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamin K, which helps with blood clotting, and vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects the body's cells from damage. Avocados are also high in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, and B vitamins, which help the body convert food into energy. Potassium is another important nutrient found in avocados. In fact, avocados have more potassium than bananas, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function. Avocados are also a great source of fiber, which is important for digestion. Eating foods that are high in fiber can help prevent constipation and keep the digestive system working smoothly. Fiber also helps people feel full for longer, making avocados a great food for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy diet. One of the best things about avocados is that they are incredibly versatile. They can be eaten on their own, added to salads, or used as a spread on toast. One of the most popular dishes made with avocados is guacamole, a Mexican dish made by mashing ripe avocados and mixing them with lime juice, salt, and sometimes tomatoes, onions, and chili peppers. Guacamole is enjoyed as a dip for chips or as a topping for tacos, burritos, and other dishes. Avocados are also used in many other dishes around the world. In Brazil, for example, avocados are often blended with sugar and milk to make a sweet dessert. In the Philippines and Indonesia, avocados are used in smoothies or milkshakes. In other parts of the world, avocados are added to sandwiches, burgers, and even sushi. Aside from their use in food, avocados are also used in beauty and skincare products. The oils in avocados are rich in nutrients that help moisturize and nourish the skin. Many people use avocado oil in hair masks, face creams, and body lotions. The natural fats in avocado oil help keep the skin soft and hydrated, making it a popular ingredient in the beauty industry. While avocados are very nutritious, it's important to eat them in moderation because they are high in calories. A single avocado can contain around 250 to 300 calories, depending on its size. Eating too many avocados can lead to weight gain, especially if they are not balanced with other healthy foods in the diet. However, when eaten as part of a balanced diet, avocados are a great way to add healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals to your meals. In recent years, the demand for avocados has increased dramatically. As more people discover the health benefits of avocados, they are becoming a staple in many diets around the world. This growing demand has led to an increase in avocado farming, but it has also raised some concerns about the environmental impact of avocado production. Avocado farming requires large amounts of water, and in some regions, this has led to water shortages. In addition, the rise in avocado farming has led to deforestation in some areas, as forests are cleared to make way for avocado plantations. To address these concerns, some farmers are adopting more sustainable farming practices. These practices include using less water, planting trees to protect the environment, and working to ensure that avocado farming does not harm local ecosystems. Consumers can also help by choosing to buy avocados from farms that use sustainable methods or are certified organic. In conclusion, avocados are a superfood that offers many health benefits. They are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a great addition to any diet. Whether eaten in salads as guacamole or in smoothies, avocados are versatile and delicious. However, it is important to be mindful of the environmental impact of avocado farming and to support sustainable practices. As more people continue to enjoy avocados, this amazing fruit will remain an important part of a healthy and balanced diet.